Today, I am going to show this product's new collections showcasing animation in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on the video. Select the landscape video. First, add a text. Change the font to Sensation. Write a few website menu names. Now add your company logo. I am using a demo logo. Search for the cart icon. Add this. Also add this. Go to Elements. Go to Frame. Add this frame. Adjust the size. Rotate it the 3-degree angle. Duplicate this and make it a little down. Again, duplicate this and make it equal to the first frame. Again, duplicate this and rotate to -3 degrees. Again, duplicate this 2 times and set like before. Duplicate this text and write the essential text about the new collections. Again, duplicate this text and write the details. Add an Order Now button from the Elements tab. Change the button color to black or your branding color. Now import your new collection's products pictures to the frames. I am using the demo pictures here from the image library of the Canva. Duplicate the page. Combine all the frames together. Adjust the position to the middle alignment. Select all the text including the button and make all of these smaller and place all of them to the image. Go to the position and select all the text you move to the image by pressing the Control key and dragging it down. Duplicate the page. Go to the position and select all the text and buttons that were moved and delete them. Select all the frames and drag them to the bottom of the page. Now drag the first page to the last. Drag this page to the middle. Click here and add the match and move transition. And also add this transition here. Change the first page timing to 1 second and also the second page. Click here and zoom in the editing timeline. Click here and increase the transition duration max level. Go to the position. Select all the text Order Now button. Decrease the length one by one. Here is the final result. Hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.